Hi there, this is the second tutorial in making our sweet dispenser in Tinkercad. So I've got my part here, I can just go in and click on that there and tinker this. And we're going to create the other parts within the same model there. So I've got my block previously created in tutorial 1 there, and now I'm going to add the drawer. So I'm going to grab the box tool again, click to position that there. Now, we're going to add some varying dimensions here. First of all, various dimensions here, sorry. So first of all, we'll make it 40 wide, nice and straightforward, and we'll make it 125 long there. So that's our basic drawer added. We need to add a cylinder for the sweets to fall into, which then drags the sweets out. So we're going to use the cylinder hole again. I'm going to drag this off here, and again I'm going to resize that there to 30 by 30 there. We want to line this up, so again I'm going to hold shift and I click on the block there, the red block, and now I'm going to click the line tool up here, click on the red block again. We want to line that up with the front and also the middle, which for me is round here. So I'm just going to click that one there. There we are. So that's the position we want that in. With them still selected, I want to hit the group tool there, and they're now grouped together. We're then going to add another box, and this is going to be, actually I'm just going to click and move that onto my work plane to give it more space there. And this block here is just going to be it's part of the drawer as well. It's just a way to get the whole positioned accurately. We'll use this kind of two-stage technique. So again, this block here is going to be, if I just drag the corner, I can resize it. It's going to be 40. It's going to be 40 by 25 there. What I'm going to do there then is hold shift again to select those two while clicking on them, click the align tool. Just going to line those up, click on the red block. Oh, not the one line there. Actually, what I'm going to do is just come and drag that there nice and accurately. Oops. You can use the arrow keys and basically it moves across this grid here. I'm going to select those two items there. Going to click group. And that's that drawer there. So now we've got to add the stopper at the back. So we're just going to grab the cylinder here. Zoom out a little bit. And 6 for this cylinder. We want this to be a bit taller. Make that a bit taller. There we are. Not really trying to be too precise on this one here. So what we're going to do now is just going to drag that within the block there. Just roughly, it doesn't need to be exact this. And then what we're going to do is click on the red block there. We're going to click align and we're going to center align that there. There we are there. So that's our drawers coming along. What we're going to do then is just click on that and the block there, base block, and we're going to group that there as well. Finally, we're going to add the handle on the front of this. So we're going to grab the cylinder tool there, bring that out, and we're going to resize this here. So that's going to be 30 by 30. That's good. And then we're going to have another cylinder tool. Make this one here, we make that 40 by 40. I'm going to make that a bit shorter. I'm going to make it down to 5, there we are. I'm going to drag it up so it sits on top of this. How tall is this cylinder here? Let's have a wee check. 20 tall. So this one needs to be 20 off the ground. Just make that 20 off the ground there. And again, I'm going to press shift, select the other cylinder, and I'm going to line those up. So I'm going to click on that bottom cylinder, click the center there, click the center there. That's that lined up. And with them both still selected, I'm going to group those there. So they're now grouped together. Now we need to rotate this so it kind of sits on the front of the drawer. So I'm going to click on that there. You see we've got these rotation arrows. When you click on that there, if you hold your mouse outside of the kind of circle, it rotates it at single degrees. If you hold it inside, oops, it will snap to 22.5 degrees there. So I'm going to bring that around 90 degrees, like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use the line tools again. So I'm going to hold shift and select the block there. And I'm going to click align. And what we're going to do there is we are going to, oops, lost that there. Hold shift. What we're going to do is we're going to bring that across in front. So So it's sitting on the front of that surface there. That is good there. And what I'm going to do is select both of them again, sorry. And then I'm going to line those up. Click on that block there and click the center line there. That is good. And there we have it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change that handle. Let's say a blue handle. Change the block here to kind of beigey brown. Then I'm going to click the two there. And I'm going to group those together. Now, if we want to keep the two separate colours, we're going to go down here and click multicolour. And there we have it there. And now you can drag that across. Now line it up with your hole there. And we can move that up. There we are. And now we have our kind of sweet dispenser tray. So slide that back a little bit. So I'll just move that back. There we are. And again, you can click on it there and you can just move it with the arrow keys if you want. So there we are. So that's our second part done there. So we've got our drawer added to our sweet dispenser.